viewers, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do something quick and easy for those of us who just want to make a simple dinner. Most of us don't get enough fish in our diet, and fish can seem daunting to cook. I'm going to show you my go-to meal for a healthy dinner that's no frills, just straightforward. Other than the fish, all you'll need is a lemon, salt and pepper. So I've got some Basa fillets here. I cook these all the time because I rarely find bones, so they're great for kids. I've lined a baking tray with alfoil today and placed the fish on top. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I normally use baking paper. This is just an exception. So let's slice this lemon. There we go, and I'm just going to put the salt and pepper on the fish. And just flip the fillets over. And then we're going to add the salt and pepper to the other side. So they're salted and peppered, and I'm just going to place the lemon slices on top of the fillets. If you want a stronger lemon flavour, you can cut another lemon in half and squeeze it over the fish. Because Basa doesn't have a bold flavour, I find that having the slices on top is enough to infuse the fish quite nicely, and it leaves a hint of flavour. So I'm going to cover the fish now with alfoil, and this will lock in the moisture while it cooks and prevent it from drying out. I'm going to put it in the oven on 180 degrees for 25 minutes. If you have very thick fillets, you may need longer, and again, if you've got smaller ones, you won't need as long. So I'm just going to peel and chop some vegetables while I've got that in the oven. I've actually got a baby strapped to me at the moment who keeps turning around to see what's going on, and in the process keeps blocking me. He's a bit too young to subscribe to my channel, so he's got to try and see it here. Just speed it up. So I've made cauliflower and carrots, and I've actually got some leftover broccoli, so that will fulfill our vegetable requirements. So I'll just pop these in a pot that I've got boiling on the stove. And skipping ahead, here's the fish. So it's been in the oven for 25 minutes. We're going to open it up. Be very careful because the steam will just pour out. Here we go, it looks good. So you want that pink colour to be gone, and you want it to be white and cooked through. So we're actually going to cut it in half and have a look. Alright, so I can't really show you too well, but that's cooked all the way through. There's nothing clear. It's a little flaky, which is what you want. You want it to sort of come apart. It's probably the best way I can explain it. Alright, so I'm going to put the alfoil back on top as I'm getting the veggies out so it stays nice and hot. So hopefully you found it very simple. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see, and thank you for watching my channel. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.